Today we're making this delicious recipe that you may love. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. You can use regular spaghetti, but the recipe does call for pasta. How can I forget this one important ingredient? Don't forget your sesame oil. I have cut up my medium onion. If you'd like to use large, go for it to make this dish yours. Let's get this pasta cooking. Now, this ground beef is still a little frozen, as you can see here, but nonetheless, it is going to cook. You want to cook it to a very golden brown. Layla is just watching me cook. She loves anything food. All ingredients will be in the description box below. And here we have it, the finished product. I hope you try it. It was delicious, y'all. Enjoy.